Hi everybody, welcome to you with the second video about the kitchen. In this video we're gonna learn another 5 items related to the kitchen. So let's get started by the first one is cupboard or cabinet. Cupboard or cabinet. Again, cupboard, cabinet, okay? By the way, we can say that cupboard is a British word and cabinet is American, but it's okay. You can use cabinet or cupboard, never mind, okay? They're both the same. So what is cupboard or what is a cabinet? Actually, it's a wooden thing and sometimes it's aluminum thing or metal things, okay? It's a box, a big box that you can keep your plates or maybe your jars and everything related to cooking in this box. It's usually, hanged on the wall because you can you put your things inside it to keep it, of course. So this is a cupboard or cabinet. You can keep your glasses, you can keep your jars for condiments, maybe the spices and everything related to cooking, you can keep it inside this cupboard or cabinet. After that, sink, as you know, sink is, we can say sink and faucet, of course, because they are related to each other. You can never find faucet without a sink in the kitchen. There must be sink and faucet together. By the way, the word faucet is American also, and the British is tap, okay, tap. But actually, sink is a place where you can clean things inside. There must be, as you can see from the picture, there must be, a faucet that it gives you the water and you can clean your stuff inside it, okay? And of course it has a drain after that. This drain takes out the gray water and put it to the drain, or maybe let it flow to the drain to move away from your sink. So this is the sink and faucet. After that, number 3, the counter. Some people say counter, and Americans say counter. So the counter is, a flat thing, a flat surface, and you can see that it has a sink inside. It's always from marble, because most people make it by marble, okay? And of course you can use it to cut. You can cut your things on this marble, on this counter, okay? You can also keep things or put things while cooking, because you have the stove and you have the counter, so you can put the things on the counter until, you put it on the stove. So the counter also is very, very important and very modern. You can see it everywhere, and every kitchen you can find the counter. After that, the waste basket. Waste basket, of course, it's very important, and as you know, waste basket, it must be everywhere, because sometimes we use tissues, and especially in the kitchen there must be a waste basket, because some remains of your food, maybe some stinky or maybe some spoiled food, you need to throw until you get it, until you take it out to the landfills, so you can keep it in waste basket until it fills up. Then you take it, and as you know, most men here and everywhere, by the way, most men, their job is to take the garbage away in the morning when they're going to work. So it happens with most men here. Finally, the dish rack. The dish rack also very, very important for just one function. Actually, you can keep your plates on, okay? And of course, it lets, the soaking wet plates to be dry, because whenever after cleaning, of course, the plate is soaking wet. So you put it on the rack, so the water falls down, After that, this plate or this dish will be dry, so you can eat on it. So dish rack also is very important, and you can find it in plastic or maybe aluminum or stainless steel or whatever it might be, but it's a must in every kitchen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, you guys, and see you in another video in the kitchen.